I made it a safe trip. Now take it as a blessing. Continue to carry on in the most pure manner.
Hello class, this project is about architecture. Architecture is one of the branches of art, and we've looked at architecture from different cultures and different civilizations, from caves to Rome to Greece to modern era type of buildings. And so today we have a project where we have to come up with a solution for a problem. And that's what architecture does. It kind of gives us solutions for what we need to survive and to be comfortable and to get the things done that we need. For example, a stadium for a team or a temple for a religion. The architecture serves a purpose, but also is beautiful. And that's what I want to emphasize. You know, what is beautiful to you doesn't necessarily mean that it's beautiful for someone else. So we want to make sure that we appeal to a lot of different likes and dislikes, but also get the problem done. So if we look at the satellite image of our school, we can see that we have this empty space that we use as our field. But our field, you know, if you've ever been out there on the field, you know that it's got its pluses and minuses. For one, it's not level. The other is that it could be used better, right? So the library in our project is going to stay, and the buildings for the classes are also going to stay. But what can change is anything within the boundaries of the field and the blacktop, right? So the locker rooms can be switched out, turned around, or find a different solution for lockers. But we do need a space that solves our problems. On hot days, where would our students go to play? Or on rainy days, where can our students enjoy dry place where you can hang out? So we need those two problems to be resolved. Stadium would be nice, a gymnasium would be nice, a pool would be nice, a new locker room would be nice, but also maybe a stage for presentations and rallies and that sort of thing would also be nice. So let's think about how those two things or several things can be resolved in a beautiful way. And we want to make sure that our projects are done correctly. So we are going to start with a floor plan to our drawing to start kind of brainstorming and thinking about possible solutions. And then we're going to bring those floor plans into the three-dimensional space in AutoCAD or SketchUp or Tinkercad or any one of the software that gives us the ability for three-dimensional art. So we're going to come up with that. We're going to present it. We're going to talk about it. And I hope you have fun finding beautiful solutions to serious problems in our world. Think about the environment, and maybe solar panels could be incorporated. Maybe we can have what other schools have, which is maybe like a teacher's parking lot or a safe place for parents to pick up and drop off children. Or maybe an additional floor of classes for the PE classes, because we don't necessarily have PE classrooms. What about some, after school activities that could possibly happen here on campus? Do we really need all the things that we do have? Do we need 6 basketball courts? Do we need 4 handball courts? Do we need to have a locker room in its current state? And what about the MmACY steps? Is there a better solution to that when we go out on rallies? Is it comfortable? Is it too hot? Is it sunny? What can we do to improve stages or even a place for performances? So all of those are possibilities that you can incorporate into your design, and I hope that you have fun doing that.
I made it.